know how to use the videos, The Science of Stupid, from National Geographic Channel in your class? Hi, I'm YAMA from YAMA to Spanish Language Solutions, and this is YAMA Culture. And this is how I use the videos, The Science of Stupid, from the National Geographic Channel in my classroom. So first, let's do the why. Okay, why these videos? Well, first, they're used in the advanced levels: 4 AP Language and Culture, 5 AP Literature, and native speakers or Spanish speakers. The other why is the students get to hear another voice that's not me. Okay, that's always important for the students to be able to hear another voice in the language, the target language that is not yours. They use a lot of specific science terminology that they will be able to use during the AP exam. Okay? Exposure to different accents. They're going to be able to hear the Mexican Spanish accent and Argentinian Spanish accent. All right, so again, that really helps for them to be able to train their ears, because in the AP exams, they're going to be listening to different accents, and they're going to have to be able to listen, comprehend, and answer. Okay, like I mentioned, a lot of varied themes. There's a lot of cross-curricular work that's going to be done while they're listening to this. It's always educational. They will always learn physics terms or just what not to do. Okay. There's they're always educational. Like I said, there's a speaking mix, aka, better yet, you'll hear the professional academic scientific terminology in Spanish, and then you'll just hear normal Spanish being used. The style is actually the funniest home video style. So they'll put a funny video, a home video of an accident happening, and then the host will explain how or what went wrong according to science and how they should have done it correctly. It's super entertaining because, like I said, a lot of this is like funniest home videos, and the students, when they're looking at when they're doing these videos or this homework or this assignment, you can just hear them laughing all the time, because I mean it's super there's a lot of funny stuff in these videos. And then this is what the channel looks like. So when you look for it, for the Spanish one, you're going to find that you have the two hosts right here. This guy right here, the top one, he's the Mexican host, and the second one, he's the Argentinian host. So it gives you an opportunity to mix it up. 1 week, or the first time you see it, you might put the Mexican host. The next time they see these videos that they have to do, they might